how to link button to a specific product on Wix. So for example, on my Wix website, I have 4 different products as you can see right here. Now to add a button link, all you need to do once you're on your Wix editor page, you'll go over to the top left hand corner and tap on the plus that says add elements. From there you could hover over a button and you could select the button style that you would like to use. So let's say for example this button option, and you can add it to the page. Once you have added the button, you're just going to tap on settings, or you could tap on the link option right here. After doing that, you're going to select page, then you're going to tap on choose a page, and you're going to select products. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to see product page. You'll tap right there. Then you can select the product that you would like to redirect persons to. So I could enter that one for example, then tap on done. And if I were to preview it, you can see that once someone visits my website and tap on this button, they'll be redirected to that product page. So if we were to tap on the button, you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found it helpful and informative.